This 2018 Lance TT 2285 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Lance is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, oven, air conditioning, smoke detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Lance TT 2285 is 3,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.